Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your multimedia interface on your Audi A4 RS4 Avant. We have a seat at the driver's side, our ignition is on, and we are going to look an overview of the MMI, Audi MMI, multimedia interface. Of course, this is a cool system because it connects every part of the vehicle with you. You can navigate by the mode button over there. You can navigate by the speak. That means you can navigate through everything to navigation, for example, by using your voice. And you can see in the center of your device, you see different kind of options which you can use out of the MMI, for example. That means radio, smartphone, navigation, and so on. And to navigate in the MMI system itself, if it is switched off, the screen switched off, you have over there a button to switch this and on or off, but only the screen, not the MMI itself. And you have here in the middle console, you have the navigation stuff. There is a knob. This knob you can rotate as a joystick. You can choose by push the button. You can go left or go right. Go up and down is possible too. Left button, right button is possible. And of course, here are shortcuts to radio. This way it's radio, automatic radio will switch on. Meteors, navigation, telephone. Then you have here the back key. That means it brings you one step back. And the menu, it brings you back to the menu of the MMI. Then you have here hotkeys. These hotkeys are for radio navigation, for example. These are touchable, as you can see. And if you push, and there is a radio station saved there, it will be automatically choose that station then. Okay, let's perform now an overview of this menu. We rotate first to the car. The car can give us the settings, date of time, seats settings, exterior lighting settings, central locking settings, and then if we push left, we can go to drive assistant, speed warning, park aid, emergency sensors, audio pre-sensors, range sensor, and so on, and service and checks. You see an oil level, service intervals, car informations, wiper change position, and. Now we go back to the menu. Then we have the sound options. Here you can make the treble, the bass, the balance, the fader, the speed depending volume control. And of course, you can make the sound option for each service like park aid, speech dialogue system, reminder signals, and so on. Then we have radio. In the radio, that's possible to choose the radio, broadcast station which is near you. You can choose them. You can go left to switch between FM and AM band, or DAB is possible, or digital radio, and so on. And of course, in this case here, you can make for example here, let's make FFN. Choose FFN and then push and hold. Let's go here, push and hold that button, or this button, for example, to save this. This is now our setting, which we can fast interact with. That's really cool and easy, as you can see. So and now we see that is saved as a preset. That's the radio. Then we have meteor. Meteor, of course, we have a lot of possibilities. The big thing is, of course, compact disc, DVD, maybe Blu-ray, and something else. This is possible to see over there. There is a compact disc player. Here you have the SIM card tray. There you have the SD1 and SD2 area to get SD cards into position. And in the center console area over here, you will have Qi standard and your USB and aux. So you see a lot of possibilities to connection is available. And overall, additionally, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are possible too, as you can see. That is the media section. Then we can go to the telephone section. We can add this car or pair this car with a smartphone, for example, via Bluetooth. And of course, we can use this car to gain a Wi-Fi network. And you can use your mobile phone, for example, for addresses and navigation stuff, where you like to navigate through, and something else is possible there. Then we have here the navigation itself. This is the navigation, of course. So we can now here see the navigation. This we can enter a destination. Then we can travel to that destination by using the navigation software. Go left, then you can switch to the map, enter address, favorites, director, special destinations, online search, my audio contacts, geographic coordinates are possible to enter there too. So you can have a good and nice navigation. We can make this about the speller, or the switch to Cyrillic characters, country information, country selections, criterions, and so on are possible to program there. Of course, you can use the voice to navigate if you need or like this. You can navigate with the voice too. So that's the navigation. Let's go out. Let's go to the map. The map is possible to see because of the GPS tracking where you are. So you can switch to destination entry, traffic messages, what's nearly here in traffic problems and so on, you can see. And of course, here you can make a navigation settings too, or online traffic data. This is the map. And Audio Connect. In Audio Connect, you can subscribe this to you and your car. And it's really cool. I made the additional videos for that, or for each stuff what I showed you now in the overall. I make special videos. And here you can see the Audio Connect is a nice divisor with weather, fuel prices, parking informations, online news, data plans, online search, online traffic information, Google Earth, special destinations, and a lot of more. You can find your car, you can make navigation to your car, remote vehicle access you can get. It works really. Communications with audio and so on are possible there. That is Audio Connect. Then we go to settings and see here we can change the language, the date and time changing, measurement units, display brightness, connection manager, the reminder signal, the usage tips, speech dialogue system, factory resets are possible. To go on the left side, here's the system maintenance system. Here we can make a system update, a reset drive installation, and version information. So that's the overview of your system. That's a big bunch of possibilities, as you can see, with the multimedia interface on your audio. Really cool device, of course, because you can use this to help you nearly in everything, because you can navigate, you can use your entire settings by using the multimedia interface, and of course you can perform this with your voice too if you like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.